Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the VSync setting in YapYap. Let's begin by opening the Options menu. Then make sure you're in a Display tab. Here, look the vertical sync. You can enable or disable it. What does it do? Vertical sync syncs up your FPS, in-game max FPS, to not max FPS. It just logs FPS to the monitor's refresh rate so that you don't experience any screen tearing. But if you prefer, for example, if you have high refresh rate monitor and a low-end PC, for example, you may want to disable it so you can set a lower FPS limit. Of course, that's hypothetical. You can always enable or disable it. Note that you cannot change the FPS limit with this enabled, of course. It only makes sense. After you enable or disable the vertical sync, you can hit close, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.